Hey guys, welcome back to another Thirsty Thursday. Today I'm doing a review for Fat Cat hot sauce and reviewing bacon flavored Sriracha. So this should be interesting. Bacon flavored anything is awesome. Bacon makes everything taste better, right? I bet you even ice cream would be awesome, bacon flavored. So, why don't you get a couple, wait, I have it here. Here's one for you, one for me.
Okay.
Oh, ingredients. So this is, here, read the ingredients off.
Red chili pepper, cayenne pepper, roasted red pepper, roasted pepper, water, salt, citric acid, water, cane sugar, vinegar, spices, xanthan gum, natural bacon flavoring.
Cool. Let's try this out. Oh, wow. Nice little applicator. Check out the design of the thing here. Very sweet.
Looks like ketchup.
You know what, Ticket? It kind of resembles ketchup a little bit. The consistency, very thick. Awesome consistency. I really like this consistency. Very thick. Ready?
Yes.
Not much heat.
No. I'll give this like it. It has a little ting into it. 2 out of 10. There.
2 out of 10? Yeah, it doesn't really... I'm actually feeling nothing.
It has a little tingle.
Okay, so 2 out of 10, so pretty much everyone can use this. Very sweet, and it does have an awesome chili flavor.
But bacon sriracha.
I'm not getting a lot of garlic. Is there garlic in here?
I'm sorry.
I'm looking.
I don't think there's garlic.
No garlic. Okay, so usually I think of Sriracha, I'm thinking garlic, chili, sweet, no garlic. This is, I guess they're going for like a bacon flavor, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm not really getting like a really strong bacon flavor.
Yeah.
It's very...
I taste more of the sweetness than the bacon.
I'm getting more of the pepper flavor, which is really, it's really good. Awesome pepper flavor and very sweet. Let's try this on. Let me just really get this. Make sure I get this. There we go.
Whoa.
Okay. Try this with some.
Okay.
It's very good. Not my favorite Sriracha sauce, but it is very good, but not my favorite Sriracha sauce. I'm gonna give this a 7.5 for flavor. It's good, right, Tia?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Incredible chili flavor. Delicious pepper flavor in this, and very sweet. I'm just not getting a whole lot of bacon flavor, but I don't know. But it is very good. But if you're expecting like a huge bacon flavor, it's not going to be. It's not really there. Well, that's it. check out Fat Cat's bacon flavored sriracha hot sauce. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week.
See ya.